Welcome to weekly Reiki healing relaxation. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes and begin to settle into this moment. Allow your body to relax, letting go of any tension you might be holding. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel yourself arriving fully into the present moment. Breathe in again, deeply and slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs. And as your breath out, release any worries, thoughts, or stress. Simply let them go. Now you are going to scan your body. You gently shift your attention to the top of your head. Start by relaxing muscles around your forehead and eyes. Let your jaw soften, your neck loosen. As you move your attention down your shoulders, arms and hands, let them feel heavy and relaxed. With each breath, feel more and more at ease. Notice your chest, your belly, and your back, and allow these areas to relax completely. Release any tension you might be holding there. Feel the relaxation move down in your legs, your knees, and finally into your feet. Your entire body is now resting comfortably, sinking deeper into relaxation with every breath you take. Now imagine a soft glowing ball of light beginning to form just above your head. This is your healing energy ball, a radiant sphere that is filled with calming, rejuvenating energy. Visualize this ball of light growing brighter, warmer, and more soothing with each breath. It can be any color that feels right to you. This healing ball represents pure, loving energy, ready to heal and restore balance in your body and mind. Take a moment to connect with this ball of light. Feel its energy. It is warm, gentle, peaceful, and powerful. Now slowly visualize this healing energy ball descending towards your body, hovering just above your head. As it gently touches the top of your head, feel its soothing energy begin to flow into you. Imagine the warmth and light from this healing ball beginning to spread through your scalp, easing any tension or discomfort. Let it flow down into your forehead, softening the space between your eyes. Feel the energy move into your face, your jaw, and your neck. Every muscle it touches becomes completely relaxed. The healing energy ball continues to move gently downward, now entering your shoulders, your arms, and your hands. Let its warm light dissolve any tension or tightness you are holding. Allow the healing energy to move into your chest, bringing with it a deep sense of calm and peace. As it reaches your heart, feel the healing light, feel your heart center, surrounding it with love and compassion. Any emotional pain or stress is gently released, replaced by serenity and warmth. Now the energy continues to move downward into your abdomen, soothing your stomach, lower back, and hips. Let any discomfort in this area melt away, replaced by comfort and ease. As the healing ball's light reaches your legs, feel your thighs, knees, and calves soften. Every muscle and joint in your legs is bathed in the healing energy, restoring balance and vitality. Any heaviness is lifted as your legs become completely relaxed and at ease. Finally, allow the healing light to reach your feet. Feel the warmth, feel every toe and the soles of your feet. Now your entire body is wrapped in this soothing energy. You are fully connected with this healing force, and your body is absorbing all the light and rejuvenation it needs. Take a few moments here to simply rest in this energy, feeling its power restore every cell, every muscle, and every system in your body. Know that this healing energy is filling you with balance, health, and peace. As you breathe in, feel the healing energy ball continuing to nurture you from head to toe. On each exhale, feel yourself releasing any remaining discomfort, stress, or tension. Say silently to yourself, I'm filled with healing energy. My body is healthy. My mind is calm. And my spirit is strong. Repeat this affirmation with every inhale and exhale, allowing it to integrate deeply within. My body is healthy. My mind is calm. And my spirit is strong. Let this feeling of deep healing and relaxation grow stronger with every breath. Now imagine that the healing energy ball has done its work. Slowly it begins to shrink, becoming smaller and smaller. Though the ball of light is dissolving, the healing energy remains within you, flowing through your body, keeping you calm and centered. As the ball of light fades, feel a sense of gratitude for the healing it has brought you. Know that this energy is always available to you, ready to help restore balance whenever you need it. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, begin to bring your awareness back to the room around you. Feel the surface beneath you. Notice the sensations in your fingers and toes. When you're ready, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing small movements back into your body. Slowly stretch your body if you'd like, taking your time to transition back into full awareness. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you this sense of calm, peace, and healing that will stay with you throughout the rest of your day. Take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. You are balanced, healed, and at peace.